Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are going to talk about the decor for my dining room. You guys are always commenting on, oh, your house looks so pretty, you're such a good decorator, which is funny to me because I've never been known for decorating. But I do like to work together with Asa because he has a really good eye for those kind of things and he wants to be included. So we went out today, we shop clearance items and discount and coupons. So I wanted to just bring you along and show you how I'm decorating my dining room for the spring. I really got a lot of my inspiration because I'm originally from Charleston and I love Magnolias. So this was like my first piece. I got it at Kirkland's and we're gonna take this whole pile of stuff and hopefully turn it into something really cute. So here we go. I just got this piece of green garland type thing. I was gonna put it on my hutch and I think it's super cute. And I'm gonna add some magnolias and just pull that all together. You like my fancy words I'm using? Like I'm on HGTV over here. So I just kind of went through, picked out some picks that I like. I thought they worked well together. And I obviously got the magnolias, so those are our centerpiece. I'm gonna put it like this and Ace is gonna come through and he fixes it every time. So don't worry, it'll be good. I got cat toys. That's what Asa said as I was purchasing them, but hopefully she doesn't really come up here, knock on wood. So one of the things, guys, when Abby was younger, if you don't know, I have a daughter with autism. She's 14 now. So I was not always able to decorate my house. Now I can, but I still, I'm cautious about what I get. She doesn't go around and break things like she used to. She used to be very destructive. So she doesn't do that anymore, but I still have to be mindful. No candles. I don't do real candles. And if I do the real candles, they never get lit. So they're just for looks. What are you thinking about that? Should I put the lamp in front of it? Is it good like that? Come on. Come on, cameraman. You know you want input in this. It's killing you. Okay, so I feel like I should back the lamp up. What are your thoughts? We know you have thoughts. Do you like it? Are you liking my look? Do you see what I'm going for? So I always have ideas and then we have to have Asa perfect them a lot of times. So I feel like the magnolias should be up, right? That's my main flower. So I just buy this stuff and then I kind of play around with it. Hobby Lobby is my favorite place for these kind of things, guys, because they always have them on sale. And if they don't, like this, I used a 40% off coupon for. So that's nice. He doesn't like it. When there's lots of silence, he doesn't like it. What do I need to do different?
Why don't we come back to that one?
Okay, we'll come back. All right, this I know is gonna be perfect first go around. I do need some flowers, which hopefully we can talk the cameraman into buying me some new flowers. Cause who doesn't love fresh flowers? You guys will see, I have fresh flowers all over my house. I love them. We're reusing our napkins that we bought at Christmas time, but we don't actually use these napkins. They're just to look at and be pretty. They use paper napkins to clean themselves with. So strictly just for looks, but there's only 7 of them. Asa bought these for me and they were an 8-pack, but somehow one was missing. Can you help? Come on, you can do it. Okay, we don't need you to help. This is real life decorating, y'all. Ab, come here. I got a job for you. Here, put one of these down in front of each chair. Put it right there. So we're super stimmy today. Hey, can you take that and put it there? Good job. How about this? Can you put it right here? Can you put that one here? Move it over. Can you move it? Okay, stand up. Look. Super cute chargers. Everything at Hobby Lobby in the spring collection is 40% off. And then these were $2, so they were on clearance for $2. You're gonna take this and you're gonna put it right, there you go, you got it. Perfect. This one goes here. I'll fix them when we finish, okay? Okay, can you take this one? Take it down there. Out of your mouth. Let's not eat them. Walk around here. So the chargers are kind of my new thing. I really like them. I think they add a lot. I wanted round for the this table. It is a large table, but I didn't want the square or rectangle looking placemats. I think the round chargers with the round placemats look really cute underneath. Can you fix this one? Okay, here we go. We gotta finish with the chargers. The ones I used for Christmas, I will link those down below because you can find them a lot of times on Amazon and they're really good prices there. And I love using that because you can reuse them for different seasons. So going with my theme, I found these. I've never seen anything like this and I'm so excited. I love Magnolias so much I wanted them for my wedding, guys. So I'm gonna take these napkin holders. We have the most beautiful magnolia tree outside. So it's kind of what inspired this. And it's just a very Charleston Southern charm room and I'm loving that theme. I've got my pictures on the wall that Asa and Isaiah have gotten for me that are just the Southern Jacksonville. So I'm excited. So I'm just gonna take the napkin, like I said, they're reused, so they're already from Christmas, and set it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Is that pretty? They are bendable leaves so you can like move them around. And again, they're from Hobby Lobby and they were 40% off. Take that out of your mouth, please. So you guys notice my new hutch. I'm so excited about this. I've been looking and looking. We like have been going back and forth trying to find stuff on clearance because I don't buy anything full price. And today we saw this at Home Goods and picked it up. Asa has a friend that got him into whiskey, and so we wanted a dry bar. We have all of our stuff just shoved in a cabinet right now, and I just thought it would be a good thing to add to this room. And I like that all the wood doesn't necessarily match. I think that's such a new thing in 2020. You don't have to have everything match. So don't worry about that when you're decorating anymore. Here's my one that has no napkin, and for right now, we'll just lay this out and we'll face it this way. That way when you're walking in, you can't really notice it. So, tips from an autism mom. Like I said, I can't have nice things out. Like this stuff cannot be left out, obviously. I think with any kid, you wouldn't want to leave that out. I have an 18-year-old as well. Probably don't want to leave the alcohol out. Don't take everything away. What I did to get Abby adjusted to her environment was buy cheap things that were like super cheap and on clearance. Let her, if she messed with them, it was okay. And if they got messed up, it was okay. But it taught her that we don't touch those things. And so that really helped us regulate her and kind of get her used to having things out in the open. Okay, I told you guys he would help us. You just have an eye for this. Like, his mom, this is your mom coming out in you.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
So your brother's really good at building things, like woodworking. You've always been really good at decor. It's so funny, but I love it.
The phrase window treatment was in my vocabulary. Like when
way
we first got married.
Yeah. Well, and I think it's, so you're artsy, you're crafty. I am not crafty. So we joke that I have a vision and then Asa has to make that come to fruition. And there we go. This is how we work well. And you like doing it. Like, you want to be involved.
Keep telling yourself that.
I mean, anytime I come home, you're like, oh, I don't like that. And so if I do go shopping with you, without you, it was funny. Summer and I went shopping and Summer was like, why are you texting him? I'm like, because he cares. She's like, really? I'm like, not all of the time. Like, but he does. He cares. So comment down below. Does your husband care like how you decorate the house? Does he want to have input on that or say so? Or is it you, just all you, and he just goes with it? Asa does not just go with it.
Some people, I've seen people comment before, like, that would be annoying. It is.
It
annoys
is.
Priscilla sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes I just want to do my own thing.
Sometimes you do, and I don't complain.
Yeah. Fun fact, Asa does not like signs with words on them, right? And that's like the whole new thing.
I think it's
like
goofy.
Laundry room, kitchen, that kind of stuff. Live, laugh, love, or whatever. He doesn't like that stuff. And I think it's super cute. I don't necessarily want a farmhouse, but I like it. So Summer and I went shopping a couple weeks ago and I got a home sweet home. It's just like, seriously, but it's for the porch and it's super cute and it says welcome.
Well, it says
I love
home
it.
real big, so
Yeah.
it's like, just in case you're confused that this isn't your home, so make sure. Okay, so
That's really pretty.
I'm thinking like this. It's kind of like,
Can we get some B-roll of this?
yeah, I want to hide some of the.
I love it though. I love it. Oh
Okay.
my gosh, it's so pretty. It looks really pretty. I just need a picture for up here.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that. And then I have that one. And then I need one for here. And this room will be finished. I love it so much. I cannot wait for our magnolia tree. We have to show them our magnolia tree. Like, it's impressive. This is what inspires me for some of my things. Look how big that is. I've always wanted a magnolia tree. Now I have one. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us again for this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you a southern kind of decorator? Are you more modern? Like, what is your decor type? Thank you guys so much. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. I wonder if it's actually mine. Most of it's in my yard. I should ask the neighbor. I can't wait for them to bloom. Maybe some of these bottom ones will bloom and I can pick them and put them in my house. That would be nice.